Psalm chapter 51, verse 3. It says, "For I acknowledge my transgression." This now David, when he commits sin against God. Now certain David talks, say, "For I acknowledge my transgression." Now at this point, David, they represents those wicked that will be convinced, which at that time there will be no opportunity. Unlike this time, okay? He said, "For I acknowledge my transgression," which means it was a sin and not be so. He said, "And my sin is ever before me. Against thee only have I sinned, and have done this evil in thy sight, that thou mightest be justified when thou speakest, and be clear when thou judgest." So we say and say, when God will judge the world, his name will be cleared. The wicked will acknowledge the justice of God's judgment. It not be like earthly judgment where somebody go dey say, "Do are you?" Everybody, both the righteous and the wicked, they go see the truth and the justice and the fairness of God's judgment. They go say and say, those when they saved and those when not they saved, not because one person get one advantage over the other, not because one person get one grace above the other, not because one person they more privileged above the other. They go say and say, indeed they were presented with the same opportunities, but the difference be say they reject the opportunities of salvation. They reject them. You see, they will acknowledge the justice of God's judgment. Now